Thank you. Justice Aminuddin Khan sir.
For the reasons to be recorded later, I dismiss the appeals, petitions, as well as CMAs, and the judgment of the Peshawar High Court is upheld.
Has anyone agreed with you?
My Lord, I, Justice Naeem Akhtar, concur with Honorable Justice Aminuddin Khan, and for the reasons to be recorded later on, I am also dismissing all the appeals, petitions and CMAs and uphold the judgment of the Peshawar High Court.
Thank you. Now I read Justice Jamal Khan Mandokhel's order, with which I agree. For the reasons to be recorded later, we dispose of these appeals, petitions and miscellaneous applications through a short order as under. These matters involve a controversy regarding the allocation of seats reserved for women and non-Muslims. The Sunni Ittehad Council, SIC, did not contest the general elections of the year 2024. SIC, which demands allocation of reserved seats on account of inclusion of independent parliamentarians in it, did not secure a single seat in the National Assembly or any of the provincial assemblies, nor submitted a list of its candidates for seats reserved for women and non-Muslims. Thus, it is not entitled to any of the reserved seats either in the National Assembly or in the provincial assemblies. The impugned judgment in order dated 1st March 2024 of the Election Commission of Pakistan, hereinafter ECP, to such extent is upheld. Under Article 51 within bracket 3 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the total number of seats in the National Assembly shall be 326, out of which 60 seats are reserved for women and 10 seats for non